Hey, how's it going, everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you like what you're watching and you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell. That way you're notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's today's 2023 Chevrolet Express 4500. This vehicle's stock number is going to be 10884, and as you guys can tell, this is going to be our 4500 series. This is our heavy duty 16-foot box truck with our utility shelving, and it does have a wheelbase of 177 inches. As we're walking around, I will also go ahead and just give you guys a quick preview and look at our tires. This is just to give you guys a good idea of how those look like. This vehicle does hold gasoline, so it does have a gasoline fuel tank. And this is going to be our little section where we actually pump our gasoline. Of course, with another view of our rear tires on this side. This does have a 57-gallon tank. Now I'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up at the back. And now with a head-on view of the actual vehicle itself, this is what the actual box area looks like. As you can tell, we do have our backup camera at the very top. On both sides, we do also have our grab handles with our parking sensors down below. And of course, we do have our sliding door. In this section right here, we do have our opening width being 7'4", with our opening height being 6'6". And I'll go ahead and open up our door and show you guys the inside of the actual cargo area. I went ahead and opened up our sliding door, and as you guys can tell, we do have our fold-away utility shelving all along the sides. This shelving does hold a max capacity of 30 pounds. And inside the actual box area, we do have a length of 15.8, a width from side to side of 7'11", with a height of 7'2". In here, I will go ahead and close up the sliding door. And I will go ahead and enter through our side door that's over there in that right corner and show you guys a close-up of our bulkhead sliding door and the actual open side door access that we have to the box. Give me one moment. Then I did want to go ahead and just show you guys that we do have our key and lock for the actual box door. So you're able to lock it up, make sure that all your belongings are nice and secure. Now continuing on this way, I will go ahead and show you guys our rear tires. Of course, they are our dually tires. And then, of course, we do have our side access door. This door does have measurements. Here at this door, we do have our width of 2'8", with our height being 7'2". And I'll go ahead and open it and show you guys what it looks like. And now with our side door open, this is what it's going to look. Of course, we do have our steps leading inside the actual box itself. And then this is what our shelving looks like. Now, right next to that, we do have our cabin access. So this is going to also be our sliding door. This unlatches, and you're able to have your full open view of the cab itself. This door also has measurements. Let me go ahead and scoot a little bit back, give you guys a better view. Here we do have a height of 6'4", with a width of 1'11". And then it closes up the same exact way. Being seated at our steering wheel, we do see that we do have our cruise control right over here, with our radio integrated controls on this side. On the dash itself, we do see that it has 94,627 miles, and it's a little bit blurry. Hopefully it'll focus. Right over to the left side, we do have our powered locks and windows with our access to our headlights. And on the right side of that, we will have our AC and our heater. This works amazing and it runs really well. Right now it's starting to get chilly again, so the heater comes in handy. Underneath that will be our radio. This radio works well with AM, FM, and aux cord. Right next to that, we do have our tow haul feature. And then, of course, additional controls right down here. Now, next to those, we do have our actual device connections, which is nice to have. And then of course we do have our cup holder section with additional storage down below. And then of course we also have our screen monitor, which is right over here. Now we do have 2 seats in this vehicle with the open middle, and then this is going to be our access into the actual cargo cab area. So if you're in the actual box, you're able to come into the cab this way, and if you're in the cab, you're able to go into the box that way. Now I'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up at our engine. Dash Trucks likes to ensure that all of our vehicles are fully serviced and reconditioned, so please take a quick look at our 6.6 liter V8 gasoline engine. This engine does hold roughly around 401 horsepower, and it runs off of a 6-speed automatic transmission. That'll wrap it up for today's 2023 Chevrolet Express 4500. This is our 16-foot box truck with our utility shelving and our side door. If you guys have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are amazing and they usually know how to answer after hours when needed. Feel free to check out the link to the website that is going to have all the information on every single vehicle that we sell, along with the warranty that we provide with them. That's just a way of providing quality for our customers. Make sure you guys check out that small information snippet. I will be writing down information that I spoke about in the video just for you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.